Hey, good morning, guys. Previously, we learned about adding decimals, and today we will focus on multiplying decimals. Given the limited size of my whiteboard, I will display the steps on my screen for you to be able to see it. Okay, the first thing that we are going to do is multiplying two decimals. Okay, let's begin. Multiplying, so our topic is multiplying two decimals. So we have here 3/10 and 6/10. So now there are steps. I'm going to flash the steps on the screen for you to be able to see it. So the first step, or step 1, is ignore the decimal digit or the decimal point. So, and then multiply as a whole number. So the whole number is 3 and 6. So 3 times 6, what is the answer? 18. Okay? And then step 2, count the decimal digits, the numbers to the right of the decimal point. So this is the decimal digit. Okay, going to the right, that's the decimal digits. So first here we have 1 decimal digit, and then the other one is 1 decimal digit. So we have 2 decimal digits. So beginning, third step, beginning at the end or beginning at the right of 18. Here, let's move 2 places to the left. Okay, 1, 2. And then let's attach the decimal point here to the last digit of the product. So the answer is 18 hundredths. Okay, let's go to the next one. 4/10 times 9/10. Okay, ignore the decimal point and multiply as a whole number. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, and then count how many decimal digits. 1, 2. Okay, then move 2 places to the right or left? To the left. Okay, beginning here at the product, move 2 decimal places. Okay, 1, 2, and then add the decimal point at the end. Okay, so the answer is 36 hundredths. Okay, the third one, so multiply the whole number. 1 times 6 is 6, and count how many decimal digits for both numbers that you multiply, or for both decimals that you multiplied. So these are the digits to the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there are 3 places. So we have to move 3 places to the left. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Because since we already have 1 digit here, 6, we need to add 2 more digits to make it 3. Okay, we have to add 2 zeros. 1, 2, and then attach the decimal point 0. Okay, so our answer is 6 thousandths. Okay, the last one, this one. So we can ignore the 0 at the end. That one doesn't count as a decimal digit. Okay, so here multiply 25 times 34. So the answer is 850. Okay, so now count how many decimal digits. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. So we have here 850, and then beginning at the end, beginning at the right of the product, move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since we already have 3 digits here, we can add 2 zeros to make it 5, and then attach the 0 after the last digit, or after the last place value here, and then that's 0. So our final answer is 0.0085. Okay, or there's a 0 at the end. So the 0 is doesn't change the value of this decimal. Okay, that's it.